Sheffield, the country's fourth largest city, is undergoing fundamental changes in order to rebuild its economy. The determination of the City Council and the commitment of Sheffield people to their city is reflected in new plans for the city centre, the creation of a science park and the reconstruction of the Lower Don Valley. The decline of its traditional steel-based industries has provided an opportunity to build new environments and create new jobs to make Sheffield a hallmark for the future. Changes are already taking place here in the city centre, where the council is keen to promote a safe, attractive environment, as well as a convenient and prosperous shopping centre. A new plan, a city centre for people, has been launched, which will provide the framework for redevelopment into the next century. It identifies some 60 sites and buildings suitable for development and renewal. For each of them, an imaginative but realistic range of uses has been put forward, and schemes already completed or underway are incorporating the plan's features. The Orchard Square development between Fargate and Church Street retains the best of the old and introduces sympathetic new buildings to create an interesting and attractive mixture of shops, eating places and craft workshops, with new creche facilities available for shoppers. At nearby Barker's Pool, a new pedestrianised square incorporates shops and cinemas in a striking modern building on the former Gaumont site. In Cambridge Street, next to Coles department store, a design competition has been won by a £20 million scheme, which again blends old and new architectural styles in a sensitive and imaginative format. A design competition has also been used to encourage redevelopment in the Canal Basin. The aim is to provide a wide range of commercial, housing and tourism uses in a development which retains the canal warehouses and complements the improvements to the canal cottages and arches. These are just some examples of the new developments which are already changing the face of Sheffield city centre. Other proposals will create a new focus for culture and arts here at Tudor Square, reintroduce housing, improve pedestrian routes, reduce city centre traffic and provide new car parks. At the heart of the plan is a concern to make the city centre accessible to everyone and to provide for the needs of those who encounter the most difficulties, such as the disabled and the elderly. Within the imaginative schemes for the city centre are proposals for a major employment initiative, the Sheffield Science Park. This will provide a much-needed focus for the development of a wide range of research-based industries using new and existing technologies. The location allows excellent access by road and rail. Proximity to the Polytechnic and University will promote an interchange of ideas and the joint use of facilities. The Science Park, which is a partnership between the City Council and the English Estates Corporation, includes flexible workspace, a business and innovation centre, product development workshops, high-quality business units and premises for larger technology-based companies. Business and Innovation Centre is offering accommodation ranging from simple rent-a-desk facilities to units of 3,000 square feet and upwards. It provides business services, common office services, an exhibition and marketing suite, and the opportunity for technology transfer. The centre has been designed to create a community of companies, and assistance will be provided for the introduction and management of innovation. Other buildings in the park offer space ranging from 20,000 to 40,000 square feet and can be customised to individual requirements. Overall, the park will present a high-quality environment, a clear identity and an attractive appearance. The Science Park is just one initiative in a network of services aimed at stimulating industrial regeneration and new job opportunities. The creation of new jobs is a major consideration in the reconstruction of the Lower Don Valley. A major development here is the new employment park, aimed at providing a landscape setting for modern technology-based industries. The new employment park will contain a resource centre and modern units for firms which Sheffield wishes to encourage to complement the activities within the Science Park. The resource centre will provide shared services including conference and exhibition space and a computer-aided design and manufacturing unit available to new and existing firms. Adjacent sites are available for complementary private development. Elsewhere in the valley, the council is working with the private sector in industrial improvement areas, giving support through grant aid to smaller businesses who wish to improve their premises and surroundings. In the Attercliffe improvement area, the council has established one of its enterprise workshops, where small premises, backup facilities and support for new firms is provided. New unit factories have been constructed at several locations by both the public and private sectors. To help carry out its projects, the council has set up a local base within the Attercliffe shops. The Lower Don Valley Centre is a convenient source of advice and information on the proposals for this area. Land not needed by industry will be used to provide a range of recreation, leisure and tourism projects, providing new jobs and a stimulus to draw people back into the valley. The council is given a lead by constructing an international standard athletics track, which will help Sheffield to become better established as a national and international sporting venue. Adjoining land is being promoted for private leisure-based development. A key feature of the plan is a new green heart for the valley, which will include commercial leisure developments as well as landscape and water features. The valley's industrial heritage will be a linking theme promoting leisure and tourism activities here within the East End Park. This may be extended along the canal to link up with a new regional venue for BMX, competitive cycling and roller skating. Public and private developments will together provide a network of leisure opportunities fundamental to the creation of a new identity for the valley. The general appearance of the area is being improved in a series of environmental corridors: the main road, the canal, river and railway. Together they form a major part of the valley's new landscape structure. In the longer term, and in a sense completing these developments, is the very real possibility of reintroducing housing into the valley, provided support services and a high-quality environment can be achieved. The involvement of the private sector is vital for the economic reconstruction of the valley. Already, the City Council has given its backing to a new regional shopping centre with leisure, exhibition, hotel and tourist facilities on a prominent site adjoining the M1. It's encouraging that over the last year, commercial schemes amounting to just under £500 million have been put forward for consideration. Public and private sector investment, the determination of the City Council and the commitment of the city's people will together ensure that Sheffield, long renowned as a hallmark of excellence in the past, will continue to be a hallmark for the future.